Mihang'o ya wandikithia wa aikia kura eeru nĩ ingĩrire kiumia gĩa kerĩ gũkũ IEBC ĩgĩtanya kwandĩkithia andũ milioni 6 ta aikia kura eeru mihang'o-inĩ ĩrĩa gũkorwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere mweri ũyũ. Namba ĩno ya andũ arĩa IEBC ĩtanyĩte kwandĩkithia ta aikia kura nĩo maikirie haceke hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro na kamiti ya ambunge ĩgiĩ watho na kĩhoto, thutha wao gũthing'ĩrĩrio nĩ ambunge matarĩrie njĩra ĩrĩa mahuthirire niguo gukinyaniria namba ĩno.
If you compare the figures of 2013 of 14.4 million and 19.6 million in 2017, this gives a growth rate of 36.1%. And applying this rate to 19.6 million registered voters gives a projected registered voters of 26.7 million registered voters. That's the projection we made as a commission.
Why using the old registered voters instead of the current population to give us the projection? Because there is a population growth, not the old register to remain as a constant.
The issue that you have given the public, you need to put 6 million people, 7 million people, 8 million people, while we know that you cannot put more than 4.5 people in any way possible.
Kamiti ĩno ĩkĩenda Chebukati na makamishna kamiti ĩno gũtarĩria wega nginya ũrĩa makinyanĩirie ũrĩa mekũmba ceceni njerũ cia ũikĩria wa kura. Ũndũ ũmwe na ũtũmi wa macini cia wandĩkithia wa aikia kura na njĩra ya kĩrĩu cia BVR icigo-inĩ itiganĩte cia bũrũri. Gũkũ ningĩ magĩthing'ĩrĩria gũteanĩria mũhuhu atĩ mũbango ũyũ wa wandĩkithia wa aikia kura nĩ mũthoge kuma o kĩambĩrĩria.
Possibly Maabitha town constituency did not get a new registration center because of these projections. And that is why we are saying we need to confirm the actual numbers because they could guide them on that.
Before we came up with the registration centers, there was public participation at county level and constituency level led by our officers on the ground. And the information we have is that the leaders were engaged at that level.
It is wrong for the chair to say there were consultations. When a person is seated somewhere, I was speaking with him in the morning, he does not even know that polling station does not exist. So that is why I am attributing it not to you, but possibly a failure down there, which has to be remedied.
Thengia wa IEBC nĩtetetie namba nini ya andũ arĩa makoretwo makĩyumĩria kwĩyandĩkithia ta aikia kura, makiuga gũkinyaniria na rĩu no andũ 243 na 220 meyandĩkithĩtie ta aikia kura ihinda-ini rĩa ciumia 2. Namba ĩrĩa nĩ ya thĩ mũno gũkĩringithanio na ĩrĩa IEBC ĩrongoreirie kwandĩkithia.
I think the issue is not the kids. What we need to address, all of us, is how to smoke out these Kenyans who are not coming out to come and register. This should be the concern that we need to address, all of us.
It should have been for these clerks to move with the kids where the people are. And then if they want to change from one registration center to another one, it is done smoothly with ease.
But we feel it's neater to have it done at the constituency level. And the other reason is that we don't want transfers to crowd the registration which is ongoing in the ward, because you have a situation where only transfers are being targeted at as opposed to new voters. Our target is to get new voters.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.